Hello friends, welcome back. We are here going to implement one more program and with some new topics like how we can easily manage the output. So in this program we are going to calculate the remaining days, weeks and years in the life, and for that we are going to assume that 90 years maximum we are going to live. Okay, if we are lucky that much. Okay, so we will have the age as an input from the user and we will calculate the number of days, weeks and months remaining of the life. Okay, and these are some hints which we can help you in making the code ready. So 365 days in a 1 year, that we already know. 52 weeks in a year and 12 months in 1 year. Okay, so guys, let's start the coding. First of all, we will get the input from the user. Okay, what is the age of user? So let me have age here. Age equal to input. What is your age, we are going to ask. And the age input by the user we need to convert into integer. Okay, so age as int, suppose we converted to int here with the help of int function. Type conversion, type casting we are having. So we convert the age into integer. Then after, remaining age we will calculate. So remaining age equal to 90 minus age as int. So we will get the remaining age. Okay, and based on that remaining age we will calculate the number of days remaining. So number of days we will calculate with the help of the multiplication. We are going to have remaining age into 365. Okay, so we will get the number of days remaining. Okay, then after I write number of weeks remaining. Okay, so remaining age into 52. Okay, so we already have the suggestion here, hint here, right? 52 weeks in a year. So we will multiply the year remaining age into 52. So we will get the number of weeks and months, and finally we will have the number of months here. So let's have remaining age into 12. Okay, so we will get the number of months. So we have all the data which I want to display to the user. So usually we write print function and we can write number of days, number of weeks and number of months remaining with the string concatenation. But as you guys know, it becomes very lengthy to write with the plus operator. Okay, normally we write like remaining days equal to and plus, then after number of days, and we also need to convert into str. So this becomes very lengthy to write. Okay, so what this solution we have is, we have some special syntax with the Python, that is a f string. Okay, so before this string we can have f. Okay, and with the special syntax of f we can easily write our variable inside this double quote, something like this, number of days, curly bracket. Okay, then after I put comma, next I will write remaining days, then after weeks equal to curly bracket and number of weeks. Okay, then after comma, and finally we will have months and curly bracket and number of months. So this is how easily we can have this string. Okay, and if I run this code, you can see the output. What is your age? Suppose say I have age 15. Press enter. You can see remaining days we are getting 375, weeks 3900, and months 900 as per the formula we have done so far. Okay, so this is the special syntax we can understand in this program. Okay, so if you are having different types of data, every time you do not require to have a plus operator to have a conversion, type conversion into string. It is simply f string. You can use with this with your print function, it will simply print your string without any typecasting and without any plus operator. So guys, I hope you understand this program. Please implement with your repolit.com account or in your IDE. We will back with some new coding. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video.